Welcome back once again. This is your favorite Captain Swagash. So as you can all see, so today we are on a mission. So what mission this actually is, I'm going to show you, as we are experiencing heavy weather right now, but still the work has to be done, and has to be done because we are transiting through high risk area, and now we are putting razor wire around the vessel. What we are actually doing and how we are making it, and you're going to ask like, why am I wearing it? Because I am also being a part of this, and although the crew has already finished more than 15 months, so I'm going to assist them. So let's see. This is my deck, C deck, Charlie deck, and this is after the vessel, as you can all see. We are loaded with windmill blades and some of the project cargoes, and we have only 2 cargo holds. One is here and the second one is big one. So we are loaded with the windmill blades, but we are experiencing heavy weather, heavy swell and southwest monsoon as we are transiting through. Now we are actually down below the Andaman Nicobar Islands. You can see the weather, right? But still the work has to be done, and it has to be done. So we are just preparing ourselves for the high risk area transit. These are the 2 lifting beams which we have. So this, what you see, is windmill blades, and these are the chains. All actually here we are having. This is what is known as multi-purpose vessel. I know you might be knowing about the tankers, containers, general cargoes, bulk carriers, but this is something different and something amazing, because here only experienced people can, I have been sailing through windmills, right? Lashings, first year, second year, third year. Not an easy job, guys. See, safety is always first option. This is the aft part of the vessel. So generally you might have seen that the life raft for 6 people is ahead because the accommodation is aft. Here it's opposite because the accommodation is forward. So we have the life raft with no HRU, and for 6 people. Buddies are here. What's up, guys? Let's make some fun. Abhi chalo bol.
Now we're going to make our ship like a tail. We're going to cross the privacy area. That's why we leave this razor wire with our people. Now let's see.
Tell.
What's up, pirate? Come with us.
So these are the razor wires. This all is provided to us by the owners, and it's pretty rough weather out here. Oh my goodness, you can see the best, man! This is the poop deck of the vessel, and we have with us an experienced person, and his name is Alex. So just guys. So what do you have to say, Mr. Bosi?
Shame.
What? Come again, no. What are we doing right now? Tell something, razor wire. Okay. Bosi, tell me.
Tell something.
Boss, tell me.
Very hard working. He's very nice guy. Relax. Have knowledge.
Bosi, what all precautions, what all preparation we are going to do for high risk transit area?
So we try to mix fire.
Yeah, we do have dummies and the fire hoses. And then fire hoses will get fucked up, and then they will ask me to repair all these things. So that's all, huh? So we'll start our job, and I'm going to accompany them for the time being, as Mr. Bose is doing such a hard job. After the vessel. So guys, the life is not that easy which you think, and if you want to experience it, you have to come on board, right? Yes! Yes guys! Filipino! अपना एक बारी भी है यहाँ पर करने को बारी क्या बात है तुम्हारी एक बार मिल जाओ तो हो जाओगे हमारे
The life is not easy, my friend. $200 you need to stay here.
Yeah, it's a white money guys, it's a white money. जो इनका परिश्रम है, इनका जो क्या बोलते हैं पसीना बहा है इन्होंने. He has already done 9 months. They have done
11 months.
11 months running. 15 months. And what do you have to say, Mr. 24 months? Fucking shit! रक्षाबंधन तो हमारी तरफ से हमारी सारी बहनों को और भारतीय नारियों को जो हमारी बहनें हैं और जो नहीं भी है वो भी बन जाएंगी सभी को रक्षाबंधन की शुभकामनाएं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आप सबका आशीर्वाद रहा तो हम लोग बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे और जल्दी भाई साहब का साइन अप हो जाएगा यो Guys, we are done with the job almost, and it's 3 o'clock, so I'm knocking off, and they will continue. My brother from another mother, and it's Coca-Cola time. Today is my party, Coca-Cola party. So let's go, and this is the best time because we used to talk with each other and spend some good time. I'm preparing myself for the Citadel. So those who all of you don't know that what is Citadel. Citadel is a place assigned on a vessel. If the pirate boards the vessels, all the crew must be there and it will be locked. Right? So what all things must be there? Actually this is my bond store. So I'm putting water, Coca-Cola, what else required to be kept in the Citadel, plus provision, plus first aid must be there. So these all things must be kept in the Citadel ready, and I'm not going to tell you where is our Citadel because it is a bit confidential. If you will go on board, you will experience this and you will get to know.
Swagas in the house!
So guys, we have already taken the fire hoses, are ready. Now we'll ask the duty officer to switch on the fire pump and we'll see. So basically we just want to tell you, any job you're going to do is basically a team job, and we have very good duty ABs, bosun, and everyone is very cooperative. Although Although they have passed with their sea time, but still they are very hardworking. What's up, Captain Swakash? Yo, yeah! What's it?
Okay, number 1. Oh, too much wind, that's why water going.
So we have another person on board. A dummy. Hello. Hello. My God. Oh, dummy.
I like this.
Guys, now I'm currently on the bridge, and as you have already seen the last part of the video, that what initial preparation we are doing for vessels if we are transiting through high risk area. And now I'm going to tell you, with the help of the maritime security chart, that what all the reportings we have to do as per which booklet we are doing, BMP5, and how to do it, and what has to be done if the pirate approach our vessel. So instead of wasting your time, let us come directly to the chart itself. So guys, I will keep on telling you BMP5, but I know most of you don't know what is BMP5 actually. BMP5 stands for Best Management Practice to Deter Piracy and Enhance Maritime Security in the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea. So guys, this what do you see is the maritime security chart. Now the question is coming into your mind, what is maritime security chart? The planning chart provides a mariner with the security of navigation routing information to enable effective planning through an area of high risk area. Okay, now the next question is, what is a high risk area, right? High risk area is an area within the UK MTO designated voluntary reporting area where it is considered there is high risk. High risk of what? High risk of piracy, within which self-protective measures are most likely to be required. So high risk area, you see, latitude 00 degree north, so 00 degree north, and longitude 0500 degree east, latitude 10 degree north, longitude 0600 degree east, then latitude 14 degree north and longitude 060 degree east. So this is the high risk area. Okay, so we have already crossed this longitude. Now we are currently at 77 degree east. So this is 78 degree, 75, 76, 77, 78 degree east. So initial reporting to UK MTO we have already done. So what is initial reporting? Initial reporting as per BMP5 booklet we have already done. This is our current position right now. This is GPS navigator GP150, 77 degree east. Okay, so somewhere here 78, 77, somewhere here. Now the arm guards, they have provided us with the render's position somewhere here, 75, 74, 73, somewhere here in between the Minicoy Islands. This is our India Lakshadweep Islands. I hope you can see, right? And these are the Maldives. So in between, somewhere here, we're going to pick the arm guards. 3 arm guards going to come on board. The next plan is, okay, we'll go like this. Now we're going to enter the high risk area. Keep on reporting as per the BMP5 which I will be showing you. And now I'm going to tell you, okay, recommended action in the event of ships under attack at the approaching stage. Okay, let us assume now entering the high risk, we have already entered the high risk area, and now we see a pirate boat
approaching towards. What we are going to do? We have to make sure that effective lookouts may be made in identifying the nature of the attack, and if we are not at the full speed, we must make sure to increase to the maximum. Steer a straight course to maintain a maximum speed. Okay, initiate the ship's emergency procedure, activate the emergency communication plan, stop the emergency alarm, sound the emergency alarm and make an attack announcement in accordance with the ship's emergency communication plan. Make a mayday call on VHF channel 16. Send a distress message via DSC system and Inmarsat C as applicable. Activate the ship security alarm system. Report the attack immediately to the UK MTO on the number. Ensure the AIS is switched on. Activate water spray. Ensure that all external doors and where possible internal public rooms and cabins are fully secured. All crew not required to be on the bridge or in the engine room. They must be there on the citadel as instructed by the master. When sea condition are low, consider altering course to increase an approaching skiff exposure to wind or waves. Sound the ship whistle foghorn continuously to demonstrate to any potential attacker that the ship is aware of the attack and we are reacting to it. करते करते मुझे गाना याद आ गया. I'm on the bridge. You can see all those bands. So गाता हूँ. Song, very nice song. ओ मेरा भोला है भंडारी करे नंदी की सवारी शंभुनाथ रे ओ शंभुनाथ रे ओ भोले बाबा जी दर पे तेरे आया जी खाली झोली भर दो. So guys, you can all see the name of the vessel is Corona. ये जा रहे हैं, टैंकर है इंडिया में. NSA बोले तो नावा शिवा मुंबई में जा रहा है. कितने दिन का क्वारंटाइन करेंगे इसको? 14 दिन का. भाई साहब कोरोना, गो कोरोना गो.
This is our actually. Do you know about the rules for the user force? Rules for the user force. If any escape approaching, how to engage?
Even the rules, right? Engagement rules.
Yes.
Just very clearly.
Increase the.
In case of any escape approaching.
Yeah.
So, as per the RU approved by the international law, there are two stages. First is the
Warning.
no. First is the non-lethal force.
Okay.
When using the warning shot.
Okay.
Second is the lethal force. In the lethal force, we will fire the aim shot to kill the person or make him serious injury to the death, up to the death. So, whenever the escape approaching, first we have to, I will ask your permission to know the area of stage 2, that is the non-lethal force and using the warning shot. Use of firearms will be the last resort.
Okay.
If there is no other way to protect the life.
Okay.
So, we will use the alternative verbal challenge and alternative non-violent challenge to stop them.
Okay.
Verbal challenge by shouting or by radio. We will ask the intense, we will ask the intense. If it is not replied, then we will go for the alternative non-violent silence. Alternative non-violent silence increase the speed, alter the course,
Yeah.
switch on the fire on this, switch on the suppressor, and firing up flares. We will
Yeah.
use your flare to fire.
Okay.
And after that, showing weapon, etc.
Okay.
That is the comes in the non-lethal process. If escape doesn't stop and it comes to our weapon range 800 meter,
Yeah.
then we will fire the warning shot. Initial warning shot we will fire to the side of the sun. And it will show the availability of the security person.
Yes.
If there is someone, he will understand that security person is there, so he will not come.
Yes.
If a escape doesn't stop and coming closer, then again we will fire in front of the escape. It will show the capability of the escape. If escape doesn't stop and coming more closer, then we will fire very in front of, very close to the escape, in front of them to stop them. So we have used everything, but it is not stopping. It means he is taking interest to our mission. So I will ask permission, but practically I think we will not get time to ask the permission.
Yes, of course.
Because we will accelerate our
Yeah.
course. So we will go for the lethal process. in the legal process I already explained, will fire aim shot to make them serious injury or to the head. So it should be used minimum necessary and proportionate. Apart from this, if our security personnel see in the escape someone is launching RPG or taking aim with the RPG, or we had fired a warning shot, they ignored our warning shot and continued firing our machine. In that case also, and anyone trying to climb on and someone giving our fire, this case also, and our security personnel honestly believe that they are in immediate threat to their life, then also he will use the legal force. In all these cases, 4 cases, they will not ask my permission or your permission. That is the sub.
So AI's status is changed to arm guard on boat. Enter and it's showing arm guard on boat. Yeah. So arm guard on board.
क्या लिखा है मालूम?
उस दिन बताया था आपने पर मेरे को नहीं समझ।
गते गते परगते परसंगते बोधि स्वाहा।
All lockdown, all at the Bob Russell room, holding read over, only